Hey guys, GamerPuppy112 here. So this video is not going to be long because I don't feel good at all, but I just wanted to make this video because I figured out how to do cool stuff. So this is how to make custom content tattoo. So what you're going to need is you're going to need an image that you want your tattoo. So I'm going to do a I don't know how to spell monarch, sorry, I suck at spelling, but that's how you do it. So this is kind of what I want, but we're just going to search monarch butterfly black, sorry that's not how you spell, black transparent, and then go to images. This is what I'm doing. You find your image and that's what you want to do. This is what I want to do because my great grandma passed away, and a butterfly is what her spirit is, basically. It's a long story, but anyway, find the image that you want. I will go for, I saw a black. We'll do this. Right click it, save your image. I have images for my CC, and we're going to call it monarch butterfly. So obviously, call it whatever you want, like whatever it is, call it that. And oh god, I spelled it wrong. Sorry, I'm so tired. But then you're going to want Sims 4 Studio. There will be a link in the description to download it. So if you're doing a female tattoo, you're going to want to do gender female. If you're doing male, click that. You could also just do female and make it for a boy as well. Also, there will be a tutorial on how to do custom content hair too in another video. But anyway, you're going to want to do the part type. Go down and you'll see tattoo. And I want it on the upper arm, the right arm. Yeah, there is no tattoo. Oh, that's lower arm. I want upper arm. So you're probably like, these are not where I want my tattoo to go. Well, that's okay. Just choose a random one. It doesn't matter, and we'll call it tat tutorial. Yeah. And yeah. Also, you could upload these somewhere on the Sims resource. I'm not sure how, but once you do that, you don't just exit out and edit. No. You press export. You have to export it again, and we'll call it tat tutorial, but no .package. Just tat tutorial, and save it. And here it will be. And delete the old one. And if you do this, it'll say item type PNG. If it is a Sims 4, if it's a Sims resource, you delete the Sims resource one. And then you're going to need Photoshop. So Photoshop, yes, you need to pay for. I got it a free way. You could do a free trial, but you have to pay for it. So go into Photoshop, press File, and Open. And also, what you're going to need to do is find a Sims 4 template. And there will also be a link of this one. This is what it looks like. It shows everything, so you could, this is basically how creators make rings, I'm pretty sure, and like eyebrows and eyeballs and that kind of stuff. So what you're going to need to do next is press File again, Place, and then go to wherever you put your tattoo. So it's right here, tattoo. Once you press it, it'll show exactly where the tattoo is on the arm. So you could like go from there. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this and, get your image, place the image that you have right here. Oh, sorry, no, you don't place that. You just open it and it'll show this. And then you're going to want to press this button, the paintbrush with the circle, press that. And what? Oh, you need a PNG image for this. Sorry, I forgot about that. I didn't get a PNG apparently, but I don't know why it isn't showing me not a PNG, transparent. You need a transparent image. Here we go, like this, exactly like this. Save it as, whatever you want, once again. I don't know why Minecraft opened, but go back into Photoshop, delete that image, file, open, get the real image. This is my real image, and this tool, and then just drag basically with left click, and then it'll do this, and then just click, and it'll choose this. Control C, and Control V, and it'll show you a huge friggin' thing. So then what you're going to want to do is go to Edit up at the top, press Transform, Scale. This is how you make it smaller and bigger, and how you rotate it, and all that kind of jazz. Make it the size you want. I want it like this. This is not the right, I don't like this one though. So if you don't like it, just press that and delete the layer with it. And then if you don't like the image you chose. If you like the image you chose, just skip this part. Okay, this is a pretty image. We'll save this image instead. Okay. Sorry, but do the same thing. Press File, open your file, and just drag around it. And just like the whole thing, just drag it and then just click it. And it should choose the whole thing, and then Control C, Control V. So you're obviously going to need to move it a little bit so you can scale it the right way, but it sometimes won't let you move it where you need because, I don't know, but this is so flippin' giant that just apply it somewhere. And then just zoom out and then zoom a little bit back in. And just make sure you're on the layer with the butterfly or whatever you're doing. And you will be able to scale it. So it obviously didn't work like the way I cropped it. You could crop it like however you want, but this is how I do it. If there's an easier way for you to do it, just do that instead. But this, for me, is the easiest way. And just see if they have little moving lines. And then it should work. If not, just your image that you're getting will probably work. But let me show you another example with a different tattoo. Yeah, this isn't working so well. So what you do is you keep this, and then you go to File, and then you open. And you could find any image that you want, like I said in the beginning. I have some saved images, so maybe we could go off of that. I have this cute image, so, let's try this. And then, there are many other cropping tools you could use, but for me, this is the easiest way. Also, if it's not working, just you could see what it cropped out. If it didn't crop out the right thing, just close it out. Oh no, don't save it, sorry, press no. But you know, you gotta find the file that works for you. Also, you could just crop it like this, which is a lot easier. You don't really have to, you know, scale it. And also, this is kind of just a tutorial. So then Control and paste it. You could paste it however you want, but that's just how I do it. And you know, scale it to the size you want. And that, I guess that's the same as that. Also, this sucks, I know. And then delete, or apply it, and then delete the real tattoo layer, because that's not what you're going to need. Also, you need to add whatever you want before you delete it, so you know where it is. Then go to layer 1, and delete the background, which is the template. The template is just so you know where the tattoo is going, because there was an old way that people used to do it before the Sims 4 template came around, but you don't want it, or else the thing will the CC will have a bunch of lines on it in the game with the template, and so you don't want to mess with the template. Just use it on whatever editing thing you need. Oh, and then, sorry, you could choose the color. This color it's kind of a rainbow, so maybe what if we just do this? Oops. You could import images, so I think I'm going to import a rainbow thing. Oh my god, the chair's shaking, and this should be the picture it uses. Ow! My cat is freaking scratching me. Okay, and then you press import, and then you find your CC, which is right here. Open it, and then look around. If it doesn't work, that is probably just because of the image I used. Yeah, it didn't work, but as you see, it erased the old tattoo. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, please, because I'm so tired and I have a headache. Okay, bye.